In this video, I'm showing my problem with under extrusion. I'm using Rapido High Flow Clockwork 2.4 nozzle at 210C toolhead and PLA Plus from Bing3D. With someone's profile running at 200 mm per second speed and 10,000 accelerate. This is when I slow it down. After this I tried to tune it, I couldn't go higher than 120 mm per second, 4,000 accelerate, 22 cubic meters per second flow rate. Please leave me in the comment for any suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.